Right, just off to the boat. Taking Max with me. You stay there, good boy. And you get. Good boy. I won't take you for the journey, but I'll bring you back when I get to the boat. So see you shortly. Bye. Just arrived at Acle Bridge. Thought I'd do a short detour. Show you the river. Couple of boats moored up there. Looks like the tide's in. Not a high tide today. Is that 3.5 metres, nearly 11 foot. You can see from over there. Swan over there looking for food. Over the other side, let's have a look round. It's the Acle Bridge pub there on the right. That's a better view. Sun's not in the way. So we've got electric points there. Only one more it. I imagine you have to pay for it. Couple of ducks. Hello. Watch them jump in. No. Funny coloured looking ducks. Are they ducks? No, they're not ducks, are they? Are they moorhens or? Not quite sure. The swan's fine. The map where we are. History of Acle Bridge. In Roman times, Acle was an important port that stood on the edge of a great estuary that occupied most of the Broads and marshes between here and the sea at Great Yarmouth. Quite interesting. I'll do a short walk along here and we'll go back to the car. Because I'm on my way to the boat, as you know. Let's see what work in progress they're at. Garden of the pub. Nice view, isn't it? Sitting out here in the summer. Not many of boats on the Broads this time of year. I suppose the season starts really in April, May, I presume. I'm not quite sure. I should really know that, shouldn't I, living on the Broads? Right, I've come to the end now, so I'll have a walk back. Quite a nice place to moor along here. Probably get some decent food in that pub there. We've got Berlin and Woodland Walks. Obviously you can go for quite a good walk around Berlin and Woods. Right, just going back to the boat now, so I'll leave it there and I'll see you shortly when I arrive at the boat. See you shortly. There you go, look at that. I'm just at the boat now. This is Matt. So how's it going then? Is it alright?
Absolutely splendid.
Yeah?
Yeah. First undercoat today.
Yeah.
Second undercoat will go on tomorrow. Sand down on Wednesday. Top coats Thursday and Friday.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
Back in the water Saturday.
Back in the water Saturday?
No,
really?
sorry. No, you can edit that bit out.
Oh, excellent. So it's about when are the bow thrusters going on, do you know?
I think that's what Jeff's doing now.
Jeff's doing now,
he's
okay.
coming on your boat.
Right. Hello, Jeff. So you're putting the bow thrusters on, are you? Yeah. Is it okay if I film you doing it or not? Is it okay? This is Jeff and he's putting the bow thrusters in for us.
You only got one?
Just the one, yeah. I always say thrusters, I don't know why, it's a thruster. Hello Ashley.
You alright?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, not bad. Thank
Good. Is it right to pop on the boat to get some stuff off?
Yeah, of
Is it
course, I'll
open?
just switch lights on for you.
Yeah.
So
Okay, thank you. Go down this way again. How many of these are fitted in the time, Jeff?
Huh?
How many of these are fitted in the time?
quite a few. Well, there's one of the harder ones.
Yeah,
It's just a flat bottom. It's very flat.
yeah.
It's a lot better if I like That.
Oh, right.
Well, yours is like,
Yes, it's a lot harder, is it?
yeah.
Yeah,
And then the tube has got to come out so far,
yeah,
and the tube will be about that long.
right.
Well, you only see about that much inside.
Yes, yeah. Sorry about the noise in the background, but this is a workshop, so coming along really well. Done a cut out just there, so here's the congregating there. Quite sure what they've done, I think they sanded it out or something like that. Just grab that. I'll turn it off and then come back. Got to go shopping to Tesco's, so we'll go to the big one we passed coming here. I've just arrived at Potter Heigham. I'll just have a quick look around here with you. Show you some of the boats. There's Potter Heigham Bridge over there. This is where they have all the day boats here at Herbert Woods. Oh, Egyptian geese. Hello then. Hello. Hello then. Hello then. There's Potter Heigham Bridge over there. I've got the bridge closed off for some reason. Probably doing road works or whatever. Some lovely boats. Get a better view from here. Hello then. Hello. I haven't got any food. Sorry. No, I haven't. Just walk up here a little bit. open fields over there. Not sure if that's a holiday cottage just there or not. Right, if you like this content, please give it a like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.